Well, Adam, first of all, congratulations once again. Another call-up for Cymru at a major tournament. Just try and sum up the feeling at the moment.
No, yeah, there's no better feeling representing your country, doing it for your family, doing it for your fans, and getting back with the teams. Really fun. It's a really good environment. So yeah, buzzing to be here.
It's your second Euro finals with Cymru. We'll start with looking back at Cyprus, the previous Under-19 Euro finals you were part of. What was your sort of memories of back then?
Yeah, really positive memories. I mean, to be the second team to qualify for the Euros for Wales is obviously a massive thing. We worked so hard. It was our goal at the start of that year to get to that final, so it meant everything. And then to play against some of the best players around our age in Europe's a really, really good thing, and to test yourselves against who's where. And yeah, obviously we would have hoped to go further, but we gave 100%, had no regrets, and then move on to the next.
Three boys in the current squad now have previously played in past tournaments like yourself. How much do you think that experience from the previous tournaments will help now going into this one?
Yeah, it's massive being in the moments where it's tough, staying together. They know what it does, having the experience to know what to do, and then also knowing the positives. Like when you're in a positive place, they know when to keep pushing, encouraging. But I think it's really useful that most of us have had that exposure being at this tournament before, because we know what it needs, and we can use the past to help make the future better.
Going into the summer, it's the first time Wales will host a men's age group Euro finals. Just how much looking forward to playing in front of the fans at the racecourse?
Yeah, it'll be amazing, playing at one of the oldest stadiums in the whole world, getting all the fans behind our back, showcasing our talent to them. I know our team will have loads of family and friends watching, and fans will be excited, and we'll be excited to see them. So it should be really positive and a fun atmosphere.
You're with Chris Gunter this time round as well. For someone like yourself who've grew up watching Wales and seeing how well he's done in past tournaments himself as a player, how much are you excited to be working with him going into this tournament?
No, yeah, he's a great role model. He helps us a lot. Like he's come in after 90, he was a great coach as well. And he's blended in really well. Like, speaks to older lads, speaks highly of us. So he's a great coach, and he also helps us because he was an ex-player, obviously at the Euros and at the World Cup. So he's had them experiences as well. So it can be really useful in the Euros that we're hosting coming up.
For you personally, coming back from obviously an ACL injury, you've had a good season with Brighton as well. How would you sort of reflect on the past season that's just gone?
No, yeah, I'd like to just thank Wales and Brighton first and foremost for helping me through that tough year. Obviously, no one wants to be injured and out for that long, but Wales kept in contact, came and seen me, and obviously Brighton helped me as well, so credit to both of them. But yeah, I couldn't do it without my teammates and everything. It's been a really positive year being with the 21s, so just hope for more, hopefully some first team exposure as well. So yeah, it's been a really positive year, first year back.
And finally, you mentioned earlier playing against Europe's best in previous finals. We've got Spain, we've got Germany, we've got Denmark in Group A this time round. Just how excited are you to be playing against Europe's best, and what would it feel like now walking out the racecourse in what's going to be a couple of days' time?
Yeah, obviously they're some of the best teams in Europe, and obviously it's a smaller Euros this time, so we know they're going to have a lot of high quality, but we trust ourselves. We know we're a great team, we've been each other for a while, we know each other, how our chemistry and everything, so walking out on the racecourse, like, it'll probably be speechless. Like, it's probably something everyone's dreamed about since they were a little kid, putting on the badge and walking out on the race course. So it should be really enjoyable, and just can't wait to get to it.
Thanks, Adam, and good luck.
So thank you.